Hey, what's going on? My name's Gio, and today we'll be reviewing the Harbor Freight screwdriver kit. So this kit comes with a bunch of regular flathead screwdrivers as well as Phillips head screwdrivers. Not only does it stop there, it goes to Torx, has mini screwdrivers, has a bit driver that comes with different nuts, and also a set of metric and standard Allen keys. So far, I've been using this set for probably around 3 months now, just around the house, installing things like fans, fixing furniture, and also building some furniture. If you haven't checked out my last video, go check it out. All the screwdrivers have magnetic tips, as well as a rubber handle that is very nice and comfortable. They have divots right here that let you grip on very well to the screwdriver. It comes with stubbies in Phillips and flathead, as well as different variations in the flathead and Phillips sizes. There are some like 6 inches, 4 inches, and a ½ inch. For the Torx, there's also a 3-inch one. The Phillips go from Phillips 1 to Phillips 2 and also Phillips 3. For Torx, there's a T25, there's a T27, a T10, a T15, and a T20. You have numerous amounts of what I like to call eyeglass screwdrivers, just mini screwdrivers. And also, before I forget, a pick set that is very nice and comfortable. They have a looped one as well as a straight. Both are very comfortable. All this comes in a case where everything just falls throughout the bottom and nothing falls through. If you'd like to check this out, I'll leave a link down below. And if you'd like to check this out, I'll leave a link down below. I really enjoy this screwdriver set. It has more than I need, and it's held up very well. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, and follow along for new videos. Peace.